are you doing, everybody? You see, I'm very, very excited because those famous gloves will touch a very famous brand and steering wheel today. For the first time ever, we are sitting in a Bugatti in a Chiron Super Sports this time, and of course we have our cameras with us, we have the race box with us. Maybe we'll have the opportunity also to see some nice accelerations. Andy is sitting next to me. Many of you might probably know him, have seen him with a helmet on in the past, and yeah, he is our guy that will guide us through today. Yeah, for the first time ever, I will start a Chiron or a Bugatti in general, and yeah, let's just listen to that sound. Interesting part is already, yet you can see in the back here your engine and also the rear wing, which is folding up and using the air brake once we are driving faster speeds. Maybe also something that we can see right now. Ooh, I could do that all day. Yeah, let's listen to that one more time. This is really, really good. So it gets faster every run that we do it. That's also a good sign. A good 0 to 100 time, you need a perfect tarmac. And that's also the reason why, yeah, we're not really chasing for the time right now. The time of 3.5 that you see on here is actually the 100 to 200 time that we did on the Autobahn. Yeah, it's very, very amazing how this car pulls, and once the turbos kick in, the power is already available at very, let's say, low RPM in comparison. Like even at half RPM, you have an immense power, an immense torque, and almost no lose of traction. I mean, that's probably the most important part. If we drive our McLaren 570 GT, yes, it's rear-wheel drive, but if we drive that, it was half of the power. No, it's less than half of the power. It's more or less 1,000 horsepower less. You still have wheel spin at 100 to 200, and yeah, you have to be very, very careful at bridges or something like that. So the stableness is yeah, really, really interesting of that car. And yeah, that's the reason why we are just showing you some ideas of how this car could be from an acceleration perspective at higher speeds. Of course, yeah, at the real track facility or test facility, the numbers will be even better, but I think this is already mind-blowing if you're looking at the number of 3.5, which is, I would say, a second 0.3, a second 0.4 faster than the McLaren 720S that we tested, which was of course blisteringly fast and weighs a lot less. That is, yeah, really, really astonishing. Yeah. And we're ending the video where we started it. We're there again. You have seen the figures. I think numbers of 3.4, 3.5, 100 to 200. The numbers that are coming out are, yeah, easily mind-blowing, I would say. And therefore really, really grateful here also to the Bugatti guys. There's my camera back sitting. Yeah, to invite us and give us that possibility, this once in a lifetime possibility. I would really like to come back to this place again.